get into this attitude of we should be doing this, we could be doing this, and then we don't do this, we are neglecting our success. And the only way to stop doing this is by doing all that you can. Do all that you can. Well, all of us, actually most of us, move from I could do this, I should do this, and then I won't do this. I have been the same. From I should be working out, I could be working out, I don't work out. I should be eating healthy, I could be eating healthy, I don't eat healthy. Most of us go through this. And the reason that we go through this is that we neglect. We neglect ourselves, we neglect our life, we neglect our career, our future, our goals, our plans, our success is the biggest thing that we neglect. We neglect our success. When we get into this attitude of we should be doing this, we could be doing this, and then we don't do this, we are neglecting our success. And the only way to stop doing this is by doing all that you can. By stopping to procrastinate, by stopping to saying that, oh, I won't be able to do this, or I cannot do this, or I don't think it is necessary, or maybe I'll do it tomorrow or day after. The best option is to do it. Do whatever you can and get going. Because doing whatever you can, when you start living with that attitude of doing whatever you can, you start building that small discipline in your life. When you think of eating healthy, or when you think of being healthy, or when you think of starting to work out, or when you think of being a better person, or when you think of being connected to your clients, you start doing whatever you can. You start making the calls every day. You start eating healthy every day. You start working out as much as you can every day. But you start doing this. You don't ignore or you do not do. You do whatever you can, how much ever you can. That is where you start. That is where you start building small disciplines in your life. You bring in small disciplines in your life. And when you yourself see the benefits of bringing those small things in your discipline, you then go full in. You go full time. You go all in. You then no longer neglect it. You then no longer ignore it. You no longer procrastinate, because you have seen the benefits of doing whatever you can. So get going, get started, stop neglecting things, and do whatever you can in your life.